Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about Best 5 Robot Vacuum Cleaner for Pet Hair that you should buy. Let's do started. Number 1. Robotic Vacuum Cleaner for Pet Hair Cleaning. The powerful 1,800 pascal strong suction, this robotic vacuum cleaner could sweep your entire house automatically when you are away. The built-in gyroscope could navigate the robot to do a seamlessly sweeping and leaves no dead zone. If you intend to clean a specific area, you can choose spot cleaning mode, edge cleaning mode, and single room mode. Even control the direction manually. The optimized thin body enables the sweeper to crawl into every narrow space in your house and clean the neglected dirty area. So you wouldn't feel troublesome to clean the area under the bed, sofa, or any other furniture. But don't worry, this robotic cleaner will never get stuck in the corner thanks to its artificial intelligence and built-in gyroscope. Number 2. Samsung Electronics R7070 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Self-clean brush automatically detangles and removes pet hair that collects around the brush. Edge Clean Master, an innovative rubber blade that extends out to clean hard-to-reach areas like corners and along the edges of the wall. Visionary mapping and full view sensor 2.0. Onboard camera and multiple sensors create the ideal cleaning path for multi-room cleaning while avoiding obstacles along the way. Coverage map shows you where PowerBot has cleaned. Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to remotely control. Number 3. Pure Clean Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Upgraded lithium battery life for up to 90 minutes runtime and 1200 PA suction. Enjoy more advanced programming for improved obstacle climbing. Wireless robotic vacuum cleaner vacuums tile, hardwood flooring, short carpet, easy one-touch power-up. The RoboVac has anti-fall cliff sensors that automatically self-detect a gap and keep it from running of stairs. The mini electric vacuum robot features a 2.9 thin low profile, will travel through any room and is small enough to fit under the couch or bed in your house. The automatic vacuum cleaner's filter keeps air pure and fine dust particles trapped inside dustbin. Number 4. Roborock E2 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Efficient and intelligent, fast cleaning, no random bumping. A dual gyro system and motion tracking sensors create a high-efficiency cleaning path for every room. "13 onboard sensors provide drop avoidance, anti-collision, trap prevention, self-charging and resumption. "2,000 pascal suction and automatic carpet boost provides the power you need to pull dust and hairs lodged in carpets. Choose to just vacuum, or vacuum and mop your home at the same time for a complete clean. Water is sucked naturally into the mop as it cleans, eliminating puddling. A 640 milliliters dustbin stores more debris, meaning it can be emptied less often. Number 5. Enter Xperobot Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Smart gyro LiDAR navigation, with gyroscope navigation and drop sensing tech to avoid falls. C200 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is 30% more efficient than other robot vacuums. The Smart Vacuum Robot Cleaner supports 6 cleaning modes including auto cleaning, max vacuuming cleaning, edge cleaning, random cleaning, area cleaning, deep cleaning. Freely switch between different modes and power levels as you want. Vacuum Cleaner Robot has a degree of climb of 12 to 15 degrees. .05 low height design enables the robot vacuum to go underneath furniture easily, cleaning thoroughly under beds and sofas. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.